So, you're thinking about giving Monzo a try. Maybe you've heard about its sleek app, fancy budgeting tools, or maybe you're just tired of your traditional bank. But before you dive in, you are probably wondering, where in the world can you actually use Monzo? Let's clear that up. Now, Monzo has definitely made waves in the banking world. It's one of those fintech darlings that everyone's talking about. But, like any good thing, there are limitations. So, let's cut to the chase. Monzo is primarily available in two countries, the United Kingdom and the United States. That's right, if you're dreaming of using Monzo to pay for that fancy latte in Paris or that amazing street food in Bangkok, you might want to rethink your plans. But hold on, before you hit that unsubscribe button, let's talk about what this means for you. If you're in the UK or the US, you're in luck. Monzo offers a range of accounts to suit your needs. You can open a personal account, a joint account, or even a business account. And let's not forget about those shiny Monzo cards, perfect for showing off to your friends. But what about the rest of the world? Well, while you can't open a full-blown Monzo account, you can still use your Monzo card in many places. Thanks to the magic of MasterCard, your Monzo card will work in most places that accept MasterCard. That means you can still use it for those overseas adventures, but you might incur some fees. Now, let's talk about those fees. It's important to be aware that using your Monzo card abroad can come with some costs. Things like foreign transaction fees and ATM fees can quickly add up. So, before you jet off on that dream vacation, make sure to check the details on Monzo's website. So, to recap, Monzo is currently a UK and US focused bank. While you can use your Monzo card in many places worldwide, opening a full account is limited to those two countries. But hey, if you're lucky enough to be in one of those countries, you're in for a treat. Monzo could be the financial boost your life needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.